I know you guys watching like, Saint, who is this? No Saint. Well, I'm here just showing you guys a different side of me. Don't know how to act. So if you want to see how I put together this look, you better keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So first I'm gonna begin on my edges. That takes the longest because I need to let the product set, and also I need to let my edges set, so we're gonna work on that first. And first I'm going in with the Cream of Nature Extra Hold Edge Control, and then over top I'm going in with the Got To Be. And before I smooth the product in, I'm gonna let it sit just to stiffen up a bit, and then I'm gonna basically start on my eyebrows. So I'm doing my same old eyebrow routine. I ain't got none, so I gotta draw them on, but it's okay. Eventually we're gonna get microbladed or one of those good old things done to them, but for now we're gonna make do with what I have. So now that we're finished with our eyebrows, we're gonna begin to mold our edges, and I'm just doing a little swoop and not a swoop loop. I don't have enough edges to do all that loops and tricks that you see. I love that look, but I don't have the edges for it. So we're gonna just make do with what edges I have. So I'm just gonna be swooping them, and I'm enjoying this setup. It was nice and breezy in front of the window, but I didn't get any privacy. The kids were in and out of the room, and the noise was like, oh my gosh. I didn't get a chance to do this voiceover until a couple days over, but I did get a chance to speak to you guys in the video. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this type of content for me, and let me know if you're liking the new setup. And now that our edges is set in, our eyebrow is done, we're going to begin by applying the eyeliner that comes with the magnetic liner kit. So we're just going to do that real quick for you. I could talk now. Halo has left the building. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. It's a cool day. The power was out earlier, so that's why I wanted to film earlier, but I can film now. And it's actually windy and breezy outside, so some wind is blowing in. And basically this is an old unit I picked up from Amazon. I could not get this part to blend for the life of me, so we're going to turn this into a headband wig. So I'm going to just comb it out to get it ready. Just do a quick simple hairstyle with this unit. So I'm going to put this to the side. Let's put my lash. Let me put that for I look so wide over there. But let me put the lashes on. I did the liner earlier. I'm not sure if I'm going to include that footage because it was hard to film because my mirror is right over here. But you guys have seen me did this before, and if not, I'll link it below. So basically this is the kit that I'm using, and I got this from Amazon. So I did an in-depth review of this eyeliner kit, and I'm loving it still, and this will be my go-to. I still want to experiment on the lash strip with the glue, but for now this is working for me and I'm loving it. It lasts all day, it's waterproof, and all I need to do is apply it with some oil. I just do a combination of olive oil and coconut oil and massage that, and it comes right off, and you can reuse them. And time to go back to this makeshift headband wig. So my scarf, let me take this off. My edges is not laid long enough, but hopefully they last. Okay, they're dried enough. And I got my hair in these twists, and this can make a good twist out, so don't come for my twist. Let me put this back. Dome cap, which I wish it was a wig cap, but this is all I have right now. That's what that looks like. And here's the wig. It's already tangled up, but I'm gonna comb it out once I get it on. And if the lighting is going in and out, it's now raining outside, so it's cloudy. But it feels so good. If you guys can only feel how hot my house to be. And the noise that you hear is the fan, and I'm not turning it off for this video, so sorry, but not sorry. You guys hear that thunder? I might end up doing a voiceover in certain parts, or just have some music playing. But when I get dressed up and doll up, I feel so good. Like, yeah, I got a good mood going. So let's see if we can get this on. The last time Heaven helped me out with this because I want it tight, because I don't want to use the clips. So let's see if I can get it done. Woo! So that's, we're gonna tuck these hair under this part. Like that. Okay. We'll do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna tuck this part right underneath. Put this part in. I got this part done so easy last night. Okay, I got it. Okay. See? And that's that. And then we're gonna slide it back a little bit. And see the edges are exposed. Should I leave this part out? We'll see. Let me tie this in a ponytail so I can get ready to tie down. I'm going to use the same scarf I did. Use my edges. And don't worry, we're going to comb this out. So then that's full. And use whatever scarf you have, whatever you have. It don't have to be a head scarf. It can be the same thing you tied on your hair, but just make sure you just try to hide that part right there. See how that looks? Hiding that part. And you don't have to buy any expensive wig. I'm the queen of making do with what I have, so that's what I'm doing right now, making do with what I have. And this part I don't think looks good there, so I'm gonna tuck it under without messing up my edges. I should have known that wasn't gonna look good. See, and that's how that looks. And we're gonna get this back part taken care of. Just comb. And there you have it. A nice, simple headband wig. And let me show you guys the back. It doesn't look too tangled, but I can comb it out some more. That's it. Oh, this is how long it is. This is a close-up. So right now I'm loving the idea of headband wigs, and this is my look. I'm gonna rock it for about a week, and I want to put in my braids, but I'm not sure. But I'm definitely want to keep wearing this headband wig, and I want to try some more, probably some curly units, one that matches my natural texture, some wavy ones, but definitely this was a look and I enjoyed it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, you are beautiful and you are loved.